Hey YouTube family, it is Christmas time. I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year. We got a lot of neat things coming up this month. We're doing some smoked meats and different things, some goodies, all kinds of stuff. Our posting schedule has changed from Tuesday to Friday instead of from Tuesday to Saturday. I hope you like and subscribe. I hope you try some of these recipes. Make sure you remember the real reason for the season, which is Jesus Christ. So I hope you just sit back and enjoy. So let's head to the kitchen.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, so what I did is I took a whole stick of butter, stuffed it up in the turkey, took about 2 heaping teaspoons of garlic, minced garlic, mixed it with those apples, stuffed all those apples in there. Then I went and coated the turkey with Lowry's seasoned salt, then went over that with some Slap Your Mama. Slap Your Mama. Anyway, this thing is just going to hit the smoker. It's going to set at a 225-degree temperature for several hours. You want to do the breast side up, and we will be back to check on it periodically. And there you have it. I've got a pan underneath to catch the drippings. Got my water pan. I'll be adding some stuff up on top later. But anyway, so we will check back on it. Okay, we are doing a quick check-in on the turkey. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, some of you may remember my video on Memphis barbecue sauce. Well, I have made it again today, so I didn't film the process because I've already posted the video. But I am fixing to put this in my smoker for about 3 hours and get some smoke into it. So, yeah, we will let you know, and I will drop a link to the video down in the description. So here we go. Got the turkey going, and I have got my pan of homemade barbecue sauce up there. I'm fixing to come out and baste the turkey with some of the butter marinade I have. And that's another thing I forgot to add in. I did inject this turkey with that Creole, I think it's called butter injection marinade stuff. So I'm going to baste the outside of it off and on with that as well. To cut this turkey, it's done. I'm trying to do this at an angle. It's not working out very well. Look how juicy. Very tender. Falling apart. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you like and subscribe. Catch you later.